how to buy first crypto president token. So this token came under the symbol of Trump. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the risk account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It just added in the last 3 hours ago, as you can see. So this token increased by 6,000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see here, to be able to buy this token, as you can see, this token right now is trending #1 in the screener. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Ethereum network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use Bitget wallet. Select the Ethereum network from here and click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here and click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find your token that you just added. Now as you can see, this is our token. I'll click on it. After that, click on swap, switch from here and select the token here that you want to buy with, for example USDT. But make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet to be able to buy this token. Here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive of that token. Now after that, click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy a first crypto president token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.